Every parts of cities carry a story. Some parts are loud. Others whisper. But all of them leave traces. This is the story of a neighborhood of Amersfoort in the Netherlands, but truly, it could be the story of any place we care about. Here, the city council dreams of creating a major cultural hub. So we began by listening to the historic traces. Starting by removing the buildings that never quite found their place. Splitting the program into 3 smaller buildings. Uncovering the old medieval street as an underground link. Recreating the romantic park that once stood here, so that it could become a place where past and future walk side by side. The program is interwoven with the existing buildings in 3 different ways. Fitted inside the existing, wrapped around it, or rebuilt entirely. You'll feel the juxtaposition of layers while joining your friends in the foyer. You'll walk in the shadows of medieval nights to join the opera hall, or the cinemas, where you'll feel like in the 70s. And outside, from the ring road, a lively forecourt will welcome you in this whole new cultural district. On the canal side, a sequence of courtyards and water gardens will gently welcome the water back into the urban landscape. And while construction takes time, culture doesn't have to wait. Temporary uses can take place, with empty rooms becoming studios or canvases. The project will then grow from the inside out. From the park to the city. From the cinema to the big performance hall. Each phase standing on its own and adding something meaningful. This is the story of a neighborhood of Amersfoort, where fragments of history are woven into a new identity. To honor the communities of the past, foster the communities of today, and nurture the communities of tomorrow.